Chronic inflammation is a key physiological process implicated as a driver of many prevalent health conditions. While acute inflammation is a necessary part of the body's healing process, long-term, low-grade inflammation can have detrimental effects. This video provides an educational overview of 4 natural ingredients supported by scientific research that can help modulate inflammatory responses in the body. First is turmeric, a spice used for millennia in Ayurvedic medicine. Its primary bioactive compound is curcumin. Curcumin modulates inflammatory pathways by downregulating key transcription factors like NF-κB, which is a master regulator of inflammation. It also reduces levels of pro-inflammatory cytokines such as tumor necrosis factor alpha and interleukin-6. However, curcumin has low bioavailability. Co-administration with piperine, a compound from black pepper, can increase its absorption by up to 2,000%. Combining it with a source of fat also aids absorption. Second, we examine ginger, a rhizome containing the active compounds gingerols and shogalls. These compounds exhibit anti-inflammatory properties by inhibiting cyclooxygenase or COX enzymes. These are the same enzymatic pathways targeted by common non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, also known as NSAIDs. Clinical studies suggest ginger can be effective in reducing delayed-onset muscle soreness. Furthermore, it supports a healthy gut microbiome, which is foundational for managing systemic inflammation, as gut dysbiosis is a known contributor. Our third subject is not a single plant, but a class of polyunsaturated fats, omega-3s. We will focus on eicosapentaenic acid EPA and docosahexaenic acid DHA, found primarily in fatty fish. The typical modern diet often has an omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acid ratio approaching 20:1, which promotes a pro-inflammatory state. A healthier ratio is closer to 1:1. EPA and DHA are precursors to specialized pro-resolving mediators, or SPIMs, such as resolvins and protectins. These molecules do not just block inflammation, they actively help to resolve it and facilitate healing at the cellular level. Finally, we have garlic. Its benefits are largely attributed to the sulfur compound allicin, which is formed when the enzyme alliinase converts a precursor molecule, alliin, into allicin. This reaction occurs when the clove is physically damaged, such as by crushing or chopping. Allicin has been shown to inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Its potent antioxidant properties also play a role by neutralizing free radicals, thereby reducing the oxidative stress that can trigger and perpetuate an inflammatory state in the body. In summary, turmeric's curcumin, ginger's gingerols, the omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA, and garlic's allicin each offer distinct biochemical pathways for mitigating inflammation. Integrating these whole foods into a balanced, nutrient-dense diet is a practical, evidence-based strategy for supporting long-term health. Consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Thank you for watching. For more educational content on health and nutrition, please subscribe.